There are problems in these places on the car. Don't rush into the repair shop. You can solve it yourself. First, the tachometer is unstable when waiting for a red light. Sometimes turn off. We just need to unplug this box. Then use a paper towel to reach inside the throttle. Wipe off the carbon deposits inside. The problem will be solved. Second, the wiper can't clean the glass. Don't rush to change the wiper blades. Just put a few drops of dish soap on the glass. It can be shaved clean. Third, the car is underpowered. High fuel consumption. Find this front oxygen sensor. Then remove it. Soak in toilet cleaner. Clean the carbon deposits on the top. The problem will be solved. Fourth, the handbrake warning light sometimes flashes while driving. It's actually not enough brake fluid. Let's go online and spend more than $12 to buy a kit of brake fluid and add a little to it. The problem will be solved. Fifth, when the car is going in a straight line, the steering will always tilt to one side, like this. Don't be in a hurry to go to the repair shop for four-wheel alignment. We just need to change the position of the two front wheels. The problem will be solved. The remote control key is out of power and cannot open the door. We just need to open the little cover on the back of the key. Pull out the button battery inside. Then go to the supermarket and spend $2 to buy a button battery of the same type and install it. And the problem will be solved. Is it very simple? Follow me to learn some car knowledge every day.